Hi, in this video we're going to have lesson 5, creating functions from Introduction to Programming. Make sure to sign in to your code.org account using the login steps sent to you on Classera. If you still have a problem to log in to your account, make sure to send me a message on Classera. Creating functions. So what are functions? Functions are a group of blocks, a group of blocks that will be created once, then we're going to call it or use it whatever times we need. Our vocabs are abstraction, and abstraction is to simplify your problem as much as you can to solve that problem using the minimum code as much as you can. Do you remember in lesson 4 we said we need to follow the rule of efficiency, which is minimizing the number of code we're going to use to create any program or to solve any problem. A function, a named bit of programming instructions or a group of programming instructions. The codes we're going to use are here. The declaration or the creation. Declaration is to create. To declare is to create. To then calling a function. In level 2 we're having a video. Make sure to watch the video, which will explain a lot about functions and how to call them. Then click continue. In level 3, as usual, we're having a task. Our task is to define a function called turn around, which turns the turtle around, as you can see here, and then it will draw a line. The turtle will turn around and then draw a line. Once you have defined the function, call it to make sure it works as you expect, and then move the turtle forward as shown below. So what should we do? Click here on the functions tab. We're having two options. The big one here is the creation of the function, and the small one here is calling the function. Drag a function, declaration or creation, change my function to turn around, and make sure to write the name of the function using the same format you're having here, or when you click finish he will keep you on the same level. So I'm going to copy what I'm having here and just paste. Now we changed the name of the function. Inside the block of the function we're going to replace the codes that will do the same task we need here, turning the turtle around and then move it forward. So click here, turn left and turn left. I'm just placing them outside to test, then I'm going to place them inside the function block. So turn left, run. It's working. Then I need to move forward to draw the line, then move forward, run. It will start turning left and turning left. Remember, the code which is executed will be highlighted in yellow. Now we need to select them all and place them inside the function. Reset and run. Nothing will happen. Why? As we didn't call the function, we're having here an error. Turn around as defined, but it's not called in your program. So we need to call the function. So drag a call block here, and it should be placed above, not after. So place it above the declaration of the function. You need to copy the name, or you can type it with your hand, but make sure it should be with the same format. Just reset and run. He will highlight the calling of the function, then get inside the function and call each part inside the function and draw the arrow. Finish. Continue. So you need to declare the function, then call it above the declaration. In level 4, we're having a different task, which is creating the same plus sign we're having here. Okay, using the turn around function we just created in level 3. Here we have using the turn around along with your old friend move forward. By the way, the functions we're having here in the turtle tab are called the built-in functions, okay? And the functions we're going to create by using a declaration block and a call block are our own functions. So we're going to mix the two of them to create the same plus sign. What we're going to do is calling the turn around function first. Okay, here, and click run, so it will turn around, and then draw a line. Okay, it will not draw as we don't have a move forward, so place a move forward here inside, reset and run. It will turn twice and then move forward to draw the first leg, okay, the one we're having here. Then we need to return the turtle again to be here and draw the second one. So I'm going to drag a call function to turn the turtle and move it forward, so it will be here in the middle. So again, I'm going to call the function again, reset and run. Okay, then it will turn again and move forward. Then I'm going to turn my turtle to the left, reset and run. Okay, now we're having our turtle here, so I'm going to call the function again, turn around, then it will turn around and move forward, so I draw the second one. Then we're going to turn the turtle again using the turn around, okay, and reset and run. I'm placing my blocks, then reset and run my program to see how it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna make it faster. Now it's here, so I'm gonna turn it to the left. Then I'm going to do the same. I'm just gonna copy, select to turn around, copy from the keyboard, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then I'm going to select them and place them after turn left, reset and run. It's moving faster. Okay, now just one turn left, and again I need two turn around, and I'm going to select, place them after turn left, copy and paste code, or the process of finishing the code faster. So reset and run. We need one more left to change the direction of the turtle to end as we're having here. It should be ended in the same place we have it at the beginning, so turn left here, reset and run. Okay, now we're done. By the way, there are millions of answers. You can use whatever blocks you need, but make sure to use the turn around function we just created, okay? But I guess mine is the minimum and the efficient one. I tried a lot of answers, but at the end I guess this one is the efficient one. But if you're using more line of code and you have the same answer, the same outcome, it's okay, and what did you do is correct. Okay, can you see we created the function once and we used the same function how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like 8 times. Okay, we used the same function 8 times. Okay, so this is the benefit of creating functions, creating them once and calling them whatever number of time you need. Click finish. Draw a rectangle with right. Here in level 5 we're going to create the same rectangle we're having here using a function called right. As you know from level 4, to turn right we need 3 times turn left. So we're going to create a function to turn right. Here we're having the declaration of the function right. Inside the declaration we're going to place turn left 3 times. Okay, then we're going to call the right function to see if it's working or not. Run. Okay, now it's turning right. Then we're going to draw the rectangle we're having here. Reset. First of all, the turtle is here, then it will move forward twice. So we're going to drag and move forward twice. Okay, as you can see, it's to move forward 2 steps. So run. Okay, and then turn right. To complete, we're going to move forward. Okay, then we need another turn right, so I'm gonna copy and paste it and drag it here after the move forward. Okay, then reset and run to then move forward twice to draw the same line as we're having here. Reset and run. Then another turn right, so just copy again and paste, or you can drag a call function from here. So drag it here after the move forward. Okay, then one move forward, and I guess we're done. Okay, just one turn right. Again, copy and paste, reset and run. Okay, we're done. Finish. Continue. In level 6 we're having like a discussion about abstraction, and we said before that abstraction is to simplify, or it is a simplified representation of something more complex. Abstractions allow you to hide details to help you manage complexity. So abstraction is to make your program or your problem simple as much as you can to be able to solve it. Just review level 6 and then click continue. In level 7 we're having the same code we made in level 5 for creating the rectangle. If we run, we're having the rectangle. Our task will be moving the code we're having here into a new function we're going to create and change its name to draw rectangle. Okay, in level 7 we're learning something new, which is creating or using a function inside another one. First of all, we're going to create draw rectangle function. So from functions, we're going to drag a declaration block, change its name to be draw rectangle. We're going to copy the name. Okay, then inside draw rectangle, we're going to select the codes we're having here and drag them inside the draw rectangle. So inside draw rectangle function, we're using a function which we already declared here, which is right, and we're going to call the function draw rectangle. As long as we're going to call draw rectangle, okay, which already has the function right inside it, there is no need for calling the function right. Okay, we're calling draw rectangle once, and by calling draw rectangle it will call right. I'm going to make the execution somehow slow, so I'm gonna show you what will happen. First of all, he will read draw rectangle, then he will read the call of draw rectangle, then he will go inside, move forward and move forward. Once we have the call of right, he will go back to right, okay, and read turn left, turn left, turn left, and then again to move forward, right, turn left, turn left, turn left, and so on. Okay, once the function or the block is executed, it will be highlighted in yellow. Click run. Move forward, then right, he will move back to the declaration, and right, move forward, right here, and then right, move forward. Okay, and now we're done. Finish. Continue. In level 8, we're going to walk through the process that shows you the benefit of thinking about programming tasks in terms of writing functions. Over the next 3 levels, which are 8, 9, and 10, we're going to write a program that draws the figure shown at the right, the one we're having here. If you look at this image, you might recognize elements that repeat. This is 4-side figure, and each side is made up of some zigzag steps. We're going to break the program down into parts and then use those parts as building blocks to make this more complex drawing. First, we're going to define a function to draw just one of these zigzag steps. We have started out a definition of the right. Okay, the right is defined here, and we're going to create or declare draw step, which will draw a part of the zigzag steps. As you can see here, the turtle is moving forward, then turn left, move forward, and change its direction up using the right function. Again, move forward, then turn, move forward, and turn right. From here, we're going to drag a move forward, then turn left, and then move forward again. Click run. Nothing will happen as we didn't call the draw step function. So from functions, drag a call function, copy draw step and paste it here. Now there is no errors. Reset and run. We're having an error in the right as we didn't use the right yet. Right is defined, but it's not called it in your program. So run, move forward, make it slower, reset and run. It will move forward, then turn, move forward. We need the turtle to change its direction using the right function. So drag a call function of the right and inside it we're gonna type right. Now there is no error for the right as we already called it. Reset and run. Okay, now we're done to finish. You're going to answer level 9 and level 10 on your own. Your homework will be answering levels 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, as for level 8, 9 and 10, they are bonus. Okay, and if you're answering them, you're gonna take +4. Okay, so level 8, 9 and 10 equals +4 bonus.